types of excretory organs present in the organisms. So in detail now I will explain you about the types of nephridia. So there are three types of nephridia, that is protonephridia. Next type is a mesonephridia, and third type is the metanephridia. So the first type, that is protonephridia. So these protonephridia, proto means first formed nephridia. They are the first formed nephridia. Nephridium is nothing but a tube-like structure which is having a blunt end. Okay, they are the long tube-like structures. Okay, so these nephridia are first formed in the phylum Platyhelminthes. So these are first time seen in the phylum Platyhelminthes, that is in the flatworms, planarians. Okay, so here these protonephridia are called as flame cells because the at one side the tubule is ended or blunt or closed, and at one side it looks like a funnel. So it looks like it is coiled structure. At one side it is blunt or closed, in the another side it looks like a funnel, and the cilia present at one side will looks like a funnel shaped, and with the cilia the movement of the cilia will looks like a flame. The cilia will looks like a flame, so they are called as flame cells. Okay, so next one is the first protonephric nephridia are seen in the lower invertebrates. Okay, next one is the mesonephric nephridia. So mesonephric nephridia are seen in the case of the water animals, water vertebrates. Okay, like in the case of the fishes, these mesonephric nephridia are present. So they are present if it is a vertebral column. If it is a vertebral column, the mesonephric nephridia are present in the middle. This is the vertebral column. So they are present in the middle region. The mesonephric kidneys are present. Okay. Next, metanephric nephridia. So these metanephric nephridia are seen in the case of the higher vertebrates and some invertebrates, like annelids, etc. So here the metanephric nephridia are present in the below the vertebral column. So it is the vertebral column. So the kidneys, metanephric kidneys are present at the down. Okay, so these are bean-shaped structures. Okay, they will help in the excretion process, and in the case of vertebrates, these metanephric kidneys are made up of the thousands of units called as nephrons. They are called as nephrons. So the nephron is the unit of the kidney. Nephron is the unit of the kidney. Okay. So these are the mainly three types of the excretory organs. So in addition to these excretory organs, there are other types of excretory organs are also there. Like just now I told you in the. So in addition to these main type of excretory organs, the other type of excretory organs are green glands or antennary glands. In some the coxal glands are the excretory organs. In some animals, that is in arthropods, like the excretory organs are Malpighian tubules. So these are different types of the excretory organs present in the invertebrate organisms. Okay.